It's like past 12 o'clock. I'm trying to find these chicks. Everything's flooding so bad. Oh my gosh. Dip, 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 dip. Dip, 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 dip. Jesus. How are they? Mama's over there. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. We are flooding big time. There's poor mama here. Past 12 o'clock. How many chickies you got here? Wow. You got any chickies left here? Let's go see. Poor mama. Let's see. Let me save your babies. Okay. You got them? Okay, you got them all good here. Let's save them here. You're gonna flood here, mama. Let's go inside. Okay. Oh, you're all good. Come on, mama. Let's go, everybody inside. Come on. Wow, I'm getting stuck in here. Come on, mama. Let's go, mama. Come on, mama chicken. Let's go inside. I'll go get him. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh! Oh! Having a heart attack. Okay, baby chickies. You're safe. Oh! 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 You're gonna be alive tomorrow. Here's the little house. I'm gonna bring your mama here in a minute. Okay? Alright. Alright, let me go get to mama. Come on, mama. Come in. Oh, my camera's about to die. Ah, my feet. In the chicken poop. Ah. Ah, come on, mama. Come on, mama. Let's go in. Come on. Come on, mama. It's okay. I got you. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. You're cold. Oh, my God. Poor mama. Let's go. Good mama. What a good mama you are. All right. Everybody else is over there lined up. Yeah, it's a good mama. Come on. Roy. Hey. Go close the gate.